I guess it right. Anyway, forget. Don't see if the back to it. So basically the reason why I install the fog lights them now, I change my setup I have a scone to cold air intake. I turn it now on short, which there, as you can see it's short. It actually go all the way down to the side of the bumper here, so to the side. So if you get the amount of air more, I basically convert this to a mesh, so it's sucking cold air, more cold air, better the combustion. So now I go with a different setup because I feel I go winter drive the car for the coming few months. So the cold air intake, it's possible for it suck up water. Plus I turn this now and daily. It still have power. You just gonna lose a few power, more horsepower, but you can live with 205 or so. So basically I'm putting this for a more daily driven car or with and it feel look more unique, more aggressive with the fog light them that way. So that's basically the setup we have a plan for run. I'm gonna change my headlight them to LED because I'm an halogen bulb. They're ugly. You can see them. It work when it feel like how my night one. So yeah.
Not that obvious now.
Breeze on also. Alright, time to do my experiment now. But this not work out of blood flow. Fine, you know. Bitch. So now me run that. So what man? Come on.
Just like that.
The mesh. Cool here. Different setup mirror anyway. So you see, wiring harness there already. So just plug and play. Just need to take the tape off. You know. So yeah. I'll take off this switches, you know. Wait, wrong way this. Let's see. Oh.